Right, Busuyama Okawabi from Ghana and Sam TV, so Idiam Jiso, any promise.
But do you have a preference within in the race, an MPP race?
No.
None of them? Kennedy Agyapong, perhaps?
Oh my God. Kennedy Agyapong as president of Ghana. Hey.
He said he will pursue Nkrumah's vision.
Which he?
Yes.
What does he know about Nkrumah? He Kennedy Agyapong. What does he know about Nkrumah? And he's a grassroots man and he create jobs and so on. How much contract has he got from Akufo-Addo to become a millionaire? How much of that advantage did he extend to the party? Who talk nonsense?
Brian Champon.
He's not trustworthy. Another opportunist.
Then I'm sure you know Kobna Agyapong.
Kobna Agyapong think he can use rhetoric. Ghanaians don't fall for rhetoric and good English-speaking people. I used to be a good English speaker too myself when I was young. But if I stood for election, they wouldn't have voted for me.
Is it? Well, look, despite the things you said about the new patriotic party, first, before I go there, do you think they can be able to resolve their issues and be prepared to take over power from 2028?
Well, I anticipate that they will make an attempt at unification. Whether that will succeed depends on a great deal of factors. First of all, when they finish the primary, because it's top-down affair, they will try and establish an administrative structure that supports the elected flag bearer. You know, MPP, sometimes I don't know. They are politically formidable because they can lie.
They can lie.
They can lie, tell lies.
That is why you think they are politically formidable?
Yes. Because the more lies you tell and repeat it, the more people begin to believe that it is true. Ghanaians, we are that vulnerable. An MPP, like I was telling you about this slight test remark this morning regarding 4 million people that President Mahama said. And there's a narrative that will carry on. They won't stop. Just like the narrative that went on John Mahama's buildings in so I was given a munitions factory and a big estate in South Africa by an NDC MPP supporter. It appeared on Ghana Web.
You have an ammunition factory?
I have an ammunition factory and a big mansion. That's why I am doubtful if a presidency of Kennedy Agyapong can be beneficial to Ghana. It won't. He's a loud mouth. He lies. He knows he can't be touched. But one day somebody is going to touch him. He lies, insults.
You think he tells the truth?
He doesn't tell no truth. He doesn't. He concocts stories about people. Oh. Anyway, as I was saying, because it's a top-down approach, the ultimate objective of unification of the party is going to be very difficult. Whether the primaries will leave behind people who are offended and therefore might even want to do what Alan Shrimatin did, desert the party and form their own. I don't know. But you see, you are dealing with a highly ambitious group of people. selfish, ruthless. That's the NPP for you. Every member of that leadership has that behavior orientation. In fact, the very foundation, the very philosophical foundation of the party is selfishness, wealth acquisition.
You bring your NDC boys, youth, niggas, Libya, almost feeling Kennedy, Kennedy because of saying Kennedy, a kind of crib. Kennedy, a beauty. Afagana for Mantiama, when you be here. It's the domain man. I said, with my one, with my more. It's the end.
Raja ko for mo bre. Sisi ano. Money policy, mo policy nyane say, e benya why na that will say NDC ni a ono ni NDC ma beto aba ma MPP because wo candidate bia wo di aba no open no. Wo say Agyapong kan okre. Ye Agyapong ne ko twa ntro say ni sister. And at despite automobile ya or yeah no be an on the decoration or be in it to says entro. What can Japan workers? They be an Japan workers. Sanka the workers need more be there. And then cause come despite money yimu Ibrahim Mahama money Koku or Temo. Bon any I can't say Niyama Gaia or be a food bank here or mudi free. Omona come be a Jumon or Sanka more mobile president. Or more workers crossing the Japan cry. Sani yamen sa inkrani guy odi ne birthday na nsen udim say no workers o Uganda ne Nigeria de nyina ene ke wan be president Ibrahim Mahama ne jata gasem conference se jata cement o se den no jata cement no workers ho no bon ke Japan workers ni now despite ne special eyes ni ade workers ho no ne bro workers ni na tike mo be president ya bro mo ni so won NDC ni ba to aba ma kono ko busa kwetiafo tama kwetiafo ko to aba mko yi Bernard bedu aba MP a mo ka say o mo mpani nti na ko mo pa asanke to meto ma MPP ni we ni MPP ni na lusu wo de fa ono to so NDC be to aba ma o mo bua why NDC ni bia na to ma MPP da why ebusuya asema ba me na ko say de Kennedy akompre ko Japan asend strong one na come asofo mo declare say obey ni election o simen kan kire mo say we are stupid now we are the problem of this country busuya say no dey nsem no etudwa.
What kind of nonsense going on in this country? And we'll be at you. A sofu, a koshifu, let me declare, say Nipa winning. They are the problem of this country. I have told you several times, say, Ghana, one more didn't talk about Ghana, a sofu. You see what
you say, or Chamia only Masam Kano, or Sna Nawasumwa. Honorable Kennedy Akompre ko Japan, SA. A sofu, or Motsana, or more sorry them. No more says. Oye obi ne be win election bi no sa nkofo no sebi mpreduasa omadwen nya adwuma na omo ye ohawa oman we ye wo eno nti eyade a ene tan na ene eso huna ne bu afu che so ompuso be hu kra se sofo bi be hye nkom se election bi ye kɔ no ono ana so obi ne be win o se ade ene tan kra no nti no so ye sofo na se wo hye nkom se ke Japan akompre akɔ Japan ene be win o se me fa sa message we ma on kire o se Jai Sani man now, and Sani man now, you know, the idea nebo and just so crutches and the boost one, Nanibu Efu. But also edit to just say every rich politician be an no, a comfort saying and also no, or can't in seminal.
All rich politicians are thieves. Read my lips.
Also a politician.
Yeah, so you can add me too. We are all thieves.
And see, Abusuano so a honorable Canadian compare with Japan or Chamo say. Politician are always sick, or ye rich piano, sebi period as a sunny panel aircraft for. Journalists na say ye presenter on no ne busani say onso no we police na onso wo scout no say yes onso no eye kronfo a che say confirming so honom eno ti delegate akoto aba akoyi obi obedi oman nim ne de ye ntimi fa sa nipa we en lead ye party no be di oman no enim eno ti to aba ma Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia san say ono no de oye credible bibi a ono bia pepepe e feeling keka wo bia den eni no ho enti to aba ma obi a odwene wo ho a betime de papa bre onyo bi a okasa say it is still possible.
Busema akwa bi on fan brother and some TV so me say yewura Tony Aidoo and actually say busa no say MPP flag membership race a ebekoso nyame yadoma 31st of January 2026 fine and I was supporting on busuya what in some of the two ja or tell me say honorable Canadian compare with Japan there not na or say
So we share Honorable Kennedy Akufo Agyapong na onye obi a wasafata se obedi Ghana nim as Ghana man pinini. Osan so say Kennedy Akufo Agyapong sorry o say obi adwuma wa fa ne pe adwuma ni ade na so no ohun bebi adwuma ko no ewo. This is something that I've been telling you people all this while. Say Kennedy Akufo Agyapong say what be adwuma and all those stuffs no enya ade a no cre enya ade no cre. The time saying no cre no say a lot of these companies now also will be, you know, you've never seen the workers. You've never seen the workers. Maybe the workers are there, maybe they are somewhere, maybe they are hiding somewhere. I don't know what I say. Yeah, I don't know. But to understand everything that is happening will also depend on what people actually, you know, people say. What people say. I think that's also a way to get to know about all those stuffs. So yeah, basically that.